I knew I was gonna enjoy this test ride, guys, and couldn't resist but pulling over to highlight the accessories on this 2020 Ducati Diavel 1260S. Let me back up a little bit. Check this out, guys. I know I'm gonna forget something, but let's see if I can remember everything we did to this awesome bike for Holden. Thank you, Holden, for bringing this beast of a motorcycle to us. Yeah, I'll turn it on for you guys so you can hear this Termignoni exhaust. You know what? This thing always catches me by surprise on how loud it is. At a glance, it doesn't look like it's gonna be one of the loud ones, but it is. Real quick detail that Holden had us do. Actually, all we did was remove and prep the calipers for powder coating. He sent those out to get those powder coated red, both the front and the rear. It's got the Ducabike clear clutch cover. It's got the Ducabike rear brake pedal. We're working on getting some foot pegs for him. The Rizoma adapters did not work perfectly. It's got Ducabike frame sliders, AEM frame plugs. I'll get to the good stuff in just a sec. You saw the AEM Rear Sprocket hub kit. Lots of titanium there. Some safety wiring done by the world famous Brian Wellman. Beautiful black and bronze looking chain. Ducabike front sprocket cover. Ducabike 3D clutch slave cylinder, matching gear shifter pedal. That quick shifter works really well on this bike. And of course it has the Öhlins rear shock. It has the rear shock linkage in gold. What brand is that? I think it's AEM, I could be wrong. Aftermarket red undertail with this pretty trick. Check out this Fender Eliminator. It's very, very simple. It's in the tuck position, but if you want to get to that rear seat little latch, lock, you gotta pull this up, pull this down to access the key. Has these, what's the name of these rear turn signals? I forget. They're old. I mean, the brand has been around for a while, but they're gorgeous. Very small, super bright. It has this custom seat. Holden knows what he's doing. Look at this custom seat. He says he ordered it from Europe with the Ducabike detail there. Now the good stuff. Check out the performance technology billet aluminum front brake master cylinder. You guys see that? And the Jetprime right side switches, which goes over the throttle or doubles as the throttle housing. We really wanted these aftermarket buttons to give us the clearance here. The OEM master cylinder has an angle to it that goes forward and out to clear the stock throttle housing. This one is straight, so we needed that clearance there. I'll probably patch in some video of that. What else? Or maybe some pictures of that. Performance technology matching clutch master cylinder. Beautiful piece of billet there. CRG Bar End Mirrors. EvoTech radiator guards. Beautiful bike. Coming up next for this bike, I believe, is going to be matching left side buttons. We did receive a set from Jetprime, but they didn't fit. Working on that, and when it comes back for that, most likely we will be doing some front brake and clutch fluid reservoirs, most likely the Rizoma notch in matte black, just to kind of keep them, you know, blended in to the blackness of this motorcycle and not take away from some of this red detail on the calipers and the master cylinders. And yeah, I think that's it. Check it out. Did you notice that the right side buttons say V4 Panigale? That's because this is a super bike now, folks. There we go. Let's hear this thing, huh? Damn good sounding and looking motorcycle. What do you guys think? What would you have done differently? Questions, comments, suggestions? We'd love to hear from you guys. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.